Hi, welcome to my tutorial, Ionic app for beginner. Today, I'm going to show you what tools that you need to write an Ionic app. Before that, let's look why we need Ionic apps. There are a lot of mobile apps available in the market, for example, Android Studio and etc. And the good thing about Ionic app is because it's open source framework. It used to develop an app, and you just need to write a one code, and then you can apply to the multiple platform like Android, iOS, or browser. And the Ionic apps use the HTML and TypeScript language, and a lot of plugin is available for Ionic apps. Okay, this is the software or tools that you need. First is NodeJS, and second one is Ionic CLI, and the third one is a Visual Studio Code, and of course the Google Chrome, where you can look your output of your Ionic app. We will go through one by one for this one. Okay, how to install the Node.js, right? You can go to this link, and you can choose your OS. And for me, so I just choose 64-bit, right? My Windows OS is 64-bit. You just click and next, accept, next, 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 and next, and install. Okay, finish. Just click finish and close all things. Okay, to verify your installation, you just go to command prompt, just type cmd, and this one you type node dash dash version. Alright, it show you this version of your Node.js, and there is one more thing is npm dash dash version is a package of your Node.js. Yep, that means you already installed in your computer. Okay, let's go for the next step. The next step, we're going to install the Ionic CLI. Okay, we just type that here, npm install -g Ionic CLI. Okay, so it's already installed the Ionic CLI. To check, we just type Ionic dash dash version. Okay, this is the Ionic version has been successfully installed in your computer. Okay, the next step is you need the IDE software to write your coding. You need the Visual Studio Code. You just click this link. Okay, yeah, download for Windows. Okay, this is the link, download for Windows. Okay, set next, 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 install. Okay, then you can click launch, right? Alright, you already installed your Visual Studio Code. Next is if you don't have the Google Chrome, you can install through this link. Okay, so that's it. There are 4 tools that you need in order to write the Ionic code. See you in the next video.